Today we're showcasing our most popular single axle model. This is the 6x12 Premium enclosed trailer. Starting at the front, you're going to notice we have a 2-inch coupler on the front tied to a 3x2 tubular frame. This trailer is equipped with the V-nose front end, which does provide an additional 18 inches of space. This one is showcased in our 030 aluminum skin. With the screwless exterior, you lose the exposed fasteners and allows for a smooth, clean finish for decals and also longevity of the product. Our premium trailer features a nice aluminum wheel along with an upgraded Westlake tire that goes from a C range now to a D. Behind that aluminum wheel, you'll see that the premium trailer has torsion suspension underneath it versus our deluxe has the typical spring suspension. As you'll see, this trailer has the ramp door option at the rear. We also offer this in the barn door. So you can use this for cargo, or with the ramp door, you can haul your ATV, side-by-sides, or lawnmowers. With that ramp door, it is going to be spring assisted. So easy pull down and easy pick up. As we take a look inside the 6x12 Premium trailer, you'll notice the Premium also has 4 D-rings recessed into the floor. We're going to have a one-piece aluminum roof on the Premium as well. So fewer leaks, fewer problems with no seams. On all of our 6-wide trailers, we offer an RV-style side door, and with the Premium, we also give the additional bar lock feature. Only weighing of around 1,300 pounds, that means you have a 1,700-pound payload. With that lightweight means that you can haul this with a variety of different vehicles. If you want something lightweight, clean, and a step above the rest, our Premium enclosed trailer checks all those boxes.